Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today, Solvetic will show you different options to see the specifications of my PC Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to see PC specs Windows 11 from CMD. To start, you will look for the word CMD in the search engine. In the generated results, you will click on Run as administrator in CMD. In the System console, you will execute the command you see on the screen. When you press the Enter key, you will wait a moment for all the Windows information to load. There you can see on each line what kind of hardware and software you have. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 2. How to see PC specs Windows 11 from settings. If you want to use this option, you will click on the Start menu. Then you are going to click on Settings. In the window that opens, you will locate and click on About. You'll have access to complete details of your team that are handy for admin tasks. Chapter 3. How to see PC specs Windows 11 from System information. This is one of the most complete ways to know the specifications of our PC. To do this, in the Start menu, you will look for the word msinfo32. You will click on System information. In the window that opens, you will see that by default, the information is in the System Summary section. There you find much of the details of the PC. To explore a little more, you can go through each section to see what kind of details your team has. One possibility we have with this option is to export these results. If you want to do it, go to the File menu and in the available options, click on Export. Select where you will save the file and assign the desired name. Finally, click Save. We wait for the text to be generated. Now you can simply open this text file so that you have all the specifications of the PC available at your fingertips. Chapter 4. How to see PC specs Windows 11 from PowerShell. This is another option based on the use of commands. To do this, search from the Start menu for the word PowerShell. When deployed, the console clicks Run as administrator. In the PowerShell console, you will enter the command you see on the screen. When you press Enter, wait a moment for all the system information to be generated. If you want to have a more direct summary of any parameter, you must execute the command you see on the screen. You will have specific details of this aspect. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.